I'm most proud of taking on big companies and beating them badly at their own game.
Innovation is certainly one area in which Oliver Tattan strives to beat his competitors. Not only was Vivas Health the first health insurer to sell on the web, but also the first to cover laser eye surgery. Other products include programs to stop smoking, cholesterol tests, and health screens.
There is a lot of debate around our health system and the way it works, and indeed the way it doesn't work. And I felt that by taking a different approach to it, that we could make a big difference in this market. And I think we have done. But also I think we've impacted upon our competitors and we've impacted upon government policy. And that is changing the way healthcare has been done in this country to the better. A lot of our policy is around trying to work with people who want to be proactive about their health. So people who want to take control of their health, people who want to be empowered, first of all, to keep themselves well, and then if they do get sick, that they have some control over the process of getting back to wellness again. Well, I'm originally a chemical engineer, but unfortunately I wasn't a very good engineer, and over my career I moved more and more into the business and the marketing and the commercial end of things. I was fortunate enough in my career to have worked in big companies and see the dynamics of large companies and how they grow and the problems that they face. I was fortunate enough to work for government and see how government policy evolves. But I was also fortunate enough to be involved in a number of entrepreneurial ventures and see the pitfalls and the challenges that very small companies starting off faced. I probably made a lot of mistakes and learned from those mistakes along the way. And I think that has helped this organisation a lot. We avoided many of the things, mistakes that I'd fortunately made previously. I started hill walking 20 years ago, and I've kind of been a lot of places around the world. I've done Kilimanjaro, I've been up to the Himalayas a couple of times, to Annapurna and up to Everest Base Camp. I certainly like doing the long walks, endurance walks. I think that endurance, well, I suppose it does play through into our careers as well, but that's the kind of walking that I like doing. Well, today we're on our way up the Sugarloaf, which is a small hill just on the south side of Dublin, very close to where I live. And it's my staple for exercise during the week. I'm up here 2 or 3 times a week. And it's outdoors, we spend so much time in the office or at meetings or at our desks. Just to be out in the fresh air, it's absolutely fantastic.